Available now. Brand new roof. Brand new replacement windows. Bathroom upgrade, tub and bath surround. $2,500 carpet allowance, HVAC, 5 years old. Spacious Upton Village North Townhome with generous room sizes, updated kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, Corian countertops, stainless steel appliances, huge rear deck, fenced yard and finished rec area in the lower level. Convenient to local shopping, restaurants and commuter routes north and south. More Pics on the way. Make your appointment today.